Today, we're embarking on a cosmic journey to understand the real motivations behind exploring the Moon and Mars. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the genuine cosmic mysteries. 1. Closest cosmic neighbors. First things first, proximity matters. The Moon, being our celestial neighbor, is a mere 238,855 miles away, making it an ideal target for exploration. Mars, though further, is still within our reach at an average distance of 140 million miles. This closeness reduces travel time and fuel requirements, making these bodies more accessible than other planets. 2. Cosmic time capsules. Beyond the convenience, these places hold deep cosmic secrets. Mars, with its captivating red hue, presents an intriguing geological history that scientists believe could provide clues about the potential existence of past or present life. The Moon, scarred by eons of impacts, serves as a time capsule, preserving evidence of early solar system evolution that can help us piece together the puzzle of our cosmic origins. 3. Beyond robotic explorers. Now, let's talk about human aspiration. The Moon acts as a stepping stone for future human space exploration. Establishing a lunar presence serves as a testing ground for technologies and systems crucial for longer missions to Mars. Speaking of Mars, its Earth-like conditions, including a day-night cycle and the possibility of liquid water, make it an attractive candidate for potential human colonization. These aren't just dreams. They're strategic steps toward expanding our reach in the cosmos. 4. Hidden treasures in space. Resources play a key role in our cosmic endeavors. The Moon is believed to house water ice in permanently shadowed craters, a potential resource for supporting future lunar bases and serving as a source of rocket fuel for deeper space missions. Mars, with its subsurface water ice and rich mineral composition, provides potential resources for sustaining human settlements. These aren't just barren landscapes. They're potential resource hubs for our cosmic future. 5. Global unity in space exploration. One of the most remarkable aspects is the collaboration happening globally. Countries around the world are coming together to explore these cosmic bodies. The International Space Station ISS serves as a testament to international cooperation. And the Moon and Mars missions are extending this collaboration, demonstrating that the pursuit of knowledge and exploration transcends borders and ideologies. And there you have it, fellow space enthusiasts. If you found this cosmic exploration fascinating, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more space discoveries and share your thoughts in the comments.